The Nile. The Nile is not just a long river. It is a transcontinental water system. Its length exceeds 6,600 kilometers. It flows through 11 African countries. It originates from a high rainfall region in the south and ends at the Mediterranean Sea to the north. It is not a simple watercourse. Instead, it forms a complex network of tributaries, lakes, and wetlands. In its upper reaches, tropical rainfall falls over Lake Victoria. That is where the White Nile is formed. Its flow remains relatively stable throughout the year as the large lakes act as natural reservoirs. In the east, over the Ethiopian highlands, seasonal rains fall heavily. That is where the Blue Nile is born. It is shorter than the White Nile, but carries a greater flood potential. It also carries most of the sediment that has shaped the valley's soil over thousands of years. In Khartoum, the confluence takes place. Waters from different sources merge into a single current. The stability of the White Nile is balanced by the surge of the Blue Nile. From here, the main Nile begins its journey northward. This direction itself is significant. This river flows from south to north. That is why the south was once called Upper Egypt and the north Lower Egypt. Its current flows towards the Mediterranean, and the northern winds assist sailing vessels in traveling against the current to the south. A natural trade route without technical complexities. In South Sudan, the river's flow slows within the Sud wetlands, one of the largest wetland areas in the world. Water spreads, partially evaporates, and the flow balance is altered. This area becomes a habitat for migratory birds, semi-aquatic mammals, and a delicate ecosystem. Here, the Nile is not merely a waterway, but a vibrant and complete living environment. As one travels northward, the landscape narrows. The desert encroaches upon both banks of the river. The valley transforms into a long green strip amidst a sea of sand. From above, it appears as an emerald thread slicing through golden terrain. This elongated shape creates a unique settlement pattern. Cities and villages stretch along the river's path. Life is intertwined with its flow. It is not about a wide distribution, but the continuity along both banks. Then comes the Delta, a vast triangular region before the river reaches the sea. Formed by the accumulation of sediment over millennia. This black sediment imparts fertility to the soil. This is where the name Black Land originated in ancient Egypt. The annual flood is a defining phenomenon. Between June and September, the water levels rise due to rainfall in the Ethiopian highlands. Water inundates the fields, then recedes, leaving behind a layer of mineral-rich sediment. Wheat, barley, and flax cultivation thrive thanks to this natural rhythm. For the ancient Egyptians, the flood was not a random event. It was part of a regular cosmic order. The Nileometer on Rhoda Island accurately recorded water levels. Water levels determined the agricultural tax rate. Here, hydrology intersects with political administration. The Nile is not just a resource, it is a tool of state organization. River transport connects the north and south. Boats move with or against the current with relative ease. The entire valley is interconnected by one watercourse. In its environment, unique species thrive. The Nile crocodile, one of the largest reptiles in Africa, a symbol of power in ancient belief. Hippopotamuses once spread farther north than they do now. Nile tilapia, an important protein source, later spread globally through aquaculture. Along its banks grows papyrus, a simple plant, but one that revolutionized the history of writing. From it, scrolls were made to preserve religious and administrative texts. This river not only provides sustenance, but also a means of recording knowledge. In the 19th century, the rhythm changed. Small dam and weir projects began. The goal shifted from flood irrigation to permanent irrigation. Cotton cultivation expanded. The economy became more integrated into the global market.
Then came the greatest transformation in the 20th century, the Aswan High Dam. Lake Nasser was formed behind it, one of the largest artificial lakes in the world. Natural flooding ceased. Water control became centralized and continuous throughout the year. The benefits were clear: protection from devastating floods, water storage for dry years, hydroelectric power supporting industry. However, the balance shifted. Sediment no longer reaches the delta as it once did. Chemical fertilizers became necessary to replenish soil fertility. Mediterranean fisheries were affected due to the decrease in nutrients. Now, the Nile faces complex challenges. More than 100 million people depend on it in Egypt alone. Population growth increases water demand. Climate change adds uncertainty to rainfall patterns. Upstream dam projects provoke intense political debates. This river does not belong to one country. It is a shared system between upstream and downstream nations. Any change in storage or flow affects all parties. The Nile Delta faces additional risks. Rising sea levels threaten parts of its territory. Saltwater intrusion impacts the soil. Population density doubles the pressure on resources. Despite this, the river continues to flow. It flows through forests, wetlands, deserts, and then the delta. It connects different climates in a continuous line. The Nile is not just a relic of ancient civilization. It is a living system subject to the laws of climate, physics, and politics. Its uniqueness lies not only in its length, but in its ability to link contrasting environments and create a continuous history along both of its banks. Every drop carries the trace of distant rains. Every twist tells a chapter in the story of human and nature interaction. And its story is far from over.